to another Moodle.com video. In this video we're going to be talking about groups. In the real world, classes are often broken up into different groups like Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and each of these groups might only have a couple of different students. So in Moodle we often want to reflect how these groups are formed. By scrolling down on the left hand side of your course page, inside the administration block, you'll see the users menu. By expanding this menu, you'll be able to see that there is an option for groups. When we click on this groups option, we'll be brought to the groups page, which shows what groups currently exist and who is actually inside each of the groups. So here you can see under groups I have sample group 1 and sample group 2. If I click on one of these groups, you'll see the members that are currently added to the groups. If I want to make a new group, I can head down here to the bottom left hand side and click create group. So I'm going to go on ahead and give this a try. Beside group name, I'm going to call this sample group 3. And then I'm just going to click save changes. So when we head back, you'll see that the new group has been created, but at the minute there's nobody inside the group. So what I'm going to do is click add remove users. And a list of the potential members becomes available. So these are people who are currently enrolled in your course. So I'm just going to click one user, and you'll be able to see that by clicking add user, the student that I've selected is now going to become part of the group. So you can do this for a number of students at the same time by holding down the shift key and then selecting add. To finish up, once these students have been added to the course, we can just click back to groups and that will show us a list of all of the groups. Now you'll be able to see the three groups, sample group 1, 2 and 3, and then beside it in brackets the number of users that are currently inside each of these groups.